Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to increase or decrease your daily transaction limit on OPay. Let's just say how to adjust your daily transaction limit. This is how to do it. Open your OPay app. Now click on your profile at the top left corner. Here you're going to see account tier under your OPay number. Click on account tier. Right here, you're going to see daily transaction limit. Click on edit. From here, you have an option to adjust your daily transaction limit. You can adjust it from 5 million all the way to 0. Let's say, for example, you want to make your daily transaction limit 500k. You can input the number. When you're done, just click on confirm. It's going to ask you to confirm your daily transaction limit. Click on confirm. And now it's going to ask you for your face verification so that anyone can't just change it like that. This is very crucial because it's going to ask you for your face verification. After that, it may ask you for your PIN so that anyone can't edit it or change it without your permission. After verifying, your daily transaction limit will be updated. So that's how you adjust your daily transaction limit in OPay. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.